Welcome to my Vlogmas series. It's day number 2, I hope, and I'm so excited to share how I keep my holiday organized and stress-free as a busy mom, nurse, etc., etc. You know the spiel. December can really get crazy, but I found a tool, and I didn't just find it yesterday. I've been using Canva. If you follow me on my other YouTube channel, the Canva Cafe, you'll see what I'm talking about. So if you are like me, juggling everything that you got going on, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how I use Canva to create a custom holiday planner. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to start your own. Okay? So, all right, let's get into it. I'm using the desktop version today, but you can totally do this on your phone. That's kind of how I started, was using my phone because I didn't always have a laptop. So Canva has tons of templates, so we're going to find them by going into the search bar, and then you can type in Christmas planner. I've previously typed it in. So I'm just going to click Canva templates because otherwise it'll show me also all the templates that I've made personally. So as you can see, Canva has tons of templates for you to choose from. I like to choose a simple one and make it my own with some festive design. So I think I will start with this one right here. And you can also preview it right here to see what it's got going on, if you want to keep things or if you don't. So I'm going to hit customize. So we're going to get started with this. So I'm going to check and make sure I have all the sections that I need in my planner. So this is going to be our cover page. It's got a calendar, which is good. Preparation countdown. You could use it if you want to. We'll leave it there. Decorations, I don't need it. And if you don't need something, just click this little trash can here and it will delete it for you. There's a budget tracker, a gift list, a meal plan, a grocery list. We don't need that. I'm going to get rid of that. Party games. We're not playing any games. So, and I want to add one more page. So you would do that by clicking add a page. And I'm going to hover over designs. So it's going to bring back up all the templates right here. But inside this box, I'm going to type in content planner, which I've done previously. And I'm just going to choose one. I'm just going to choose any one for the sake of time, but you can look through them and see what you want. So this is the one I'm going to choose because I am, creating content for you guys. Okay, so now that I have all my sections, we're going to start to design. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to customize everything. So now I'm going to personalize all the templates by adding different headings if I need to, changing some of the graphics or adding graphics, changing colors, whatever we need to do. And that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to change the font here, and I'm going to select the word Christmas. And up here at the top is where you change your font. So I'm just going to select anything just so that we can not be here all day. And I'm going to make it a little smaller so it can fit in the box a little bit better. Okay, that's fine with me. And now to the other pages. We're going to change this font also. I could have changed them all at the same time. And right down here it gives me the option to change all of the fonts at the same time. I don't think this is the font I used the last time. I don't really love it, but guess what? This is what we're going to do today. And I'm just going to make it a little smaller so it can fit in the box. 88 is still too big. I'm just using this paintbrush tool to make sure that all the fonts are exactly the same, meaning they're the same size, same color, same everything. And I'm just going to remove anything that I don't want on the planner. So I just move that, and we're going to remove this. And once again, I want to make sure all the fonts are the same. Okay, so I think I've changed all of the fonts on the other page. So now I'm just going to make it a little bit more festive by adding some Christmas elements. So I'm going to go over to Elements. And then in that box, you can type in whatever you want. I typed in gingerbread, I do believe, but I'm going to go through my previous used elements so that I can be a little bit more faster. So that one makes it a little bit more Christmassy. Right here, I'm gonna add a little gingerbread snowflake. And let me make the page a little bit bigger so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, now that we have designed it and made it all pretty the way we want, now you can go ahead and fill out the sections, or you can print it out and fill out the sections. However you want to do it is up to you. And of course, my favorite part is the last section, which is the content planner. And that's where right here, and that's where I'm going to fill in and schedule all my Vlogmas videos. I jot down ideas like decorating with me, holiday beauty tips, and all these things. And Canva makes it easy to change around, so I can come in here, and this will be basically my master list, and I can come in here and write whatever I want to and print it out and take it with me wherever I want to go. And if I want to change it, I can log back into Canva, whether it's on my desktop or on my phone, and change it there also. So before we wrap up, here's a few tips from Canva that I love. Once again, I like using the mobile app, so when I'm on the go, I can use it. I like to duplicate templates. As you saw, I duplicated a template from the side to make my content planner. And what more can I say? And that's it. My holiday planner is ready to keep me organized all month long. Canva has been such a lifesaver for me, and it's a lifestyle. Whether it's for holiday planning or making glamorous flyers that I do over on my other YouTube page, which is the Canva Cafe, for my other business. Let me know in the comments how you organize for your December, and are you a planner lover like me, or do you just like winging it? And don't forget to tune in tomorrow, maybe, for Vlogmas Day 3. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Love you. Bye.